We're looking to enter the Chernobyl.
There's no entry.
Why not?
There's a deadly radiation inside.
We'll always come here.
I know another entrance. Let's go.
Yeah, man. But Chernobyl, it's heard it was dangerous, but I don't really care.
Hey, and we're alone. There's nobody else in there, man.
Alright.
There's a lot of fruits. Hey, it's about to get real bumpy, so watch your footing, man.
Man. Alright, come on. See? It's right here. Okay. Got it. Hold on. I'm gonna pick your lock. See? Easy squeeze.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the lever. Hold on, watch this. Do you see something? Wait, do you see something? Oh, ready? Okay, watch closely. Just joking with you guys. You gotta take a joke. Oh, okay. You see, this is the woods. Right here.
What the heck
What was that? Come on. I don't see anything.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh my God!
Whoa.
What the frick?
Alright, we should be going now. Oh, what was that?
That was weird. Where's Yuri?
You can see his legs. Go!
Oh my God! Oh my God!